the top 2 will automatically be selected, and then of course the third one will be through a panel of selectors. But normally, at least Kenya requires the conditions that the interest of the athlete first will be considered. So it's not just that someone else will just be put in, but the person who is number 3 will be given a chance, bearing in mind that you have to consider also the performance of the others, and that's where now the nation's interest comes into play. The cutting period for testing of awards starts from September last year, 4th September 2023, until the 3rd of May. That is the period now that we are looking at it. And in that segment, then you must have been tested at least once before you are allowed, out of competition, not in competition. In competition is different. This is out of competition.